You're not skilled labor. You're not mid-skilled tradesmen. You're process technologists. You're professionals.
PTSE grant was set up to test troubleshooting skills of students in technical programs that are going to be beginning operators in plants. We're supplying simulators to this year's event. So it's an operator training simulator that mimics what goes on inside of a real plant, where an operator will sit down in front of a console and operate the plant, and we're simulating processes that we're using for this competition, like the fired heater, distillation column, gas dehydration.
This is a national troubleshooting competition. 8 teams from all over the United States. Troubleshooting is one of the most important skills that we look for in a potential employee, process operator.
We're an integrated oil company. What that means, we have upstream, and then we have our downstream organization. And within downstream, we have aviation, chemicals, lubricants, manufacturing our refineries, and retail. Because one of the questions people always ask me, I'm hearing layoffs, why would I want to get into the oil industry? And guess what? We're hiring right now.
Networking and socializing is very important in the process industries. So it's good for me now to get that practice so that when I get up there and get out there and start my employment, I'll be able to communicate.
So this morning, you will do 2 scenarios. In the afternoon, you will do 2 scenarios. At the end of 45 minutes, it's going to be sign off hands down. After you've finished your scenario, we're going to be looking at a set of criteria. The first criteria is duration. Then we're going to look at procedure, safety, alarms, deviation, and quality.
Being able to feel the stress of the competition, I think it's going to be a lot of, when something does go wrong, you're going to feel that same stress, and so it's a good opportunity to feel that pressure.
The alarms are the indicator to the operator that something is running outside of normal parameters. It's either high or low, but it's outside the normal operating conditions for that particular parameter. So it could be high pressure, low pressure, high temperature, low temperature. So the alarms are the indicator and reminder to the operator that they need to do something to resolve that condition.
I think another thing that we also look for as we're judging is the methodology of their troubleshooting, how they approach a problem, how long it takes them to recognize faults and correct those situations.
Being put in a situation that you're not used to being in. We get used to our classrooms, our students, our teachers, and here against other colleges is a great way to get kind of thrown into the fire to see what you can do against other people. Only through experiences like this do you gain that, knowing that you have your knowledge base where you sit in the classroom every day and then getting to put it in practice. And the more you get to put it in practice, like events like this, the more confidence you take with you to the job.
We regret nothing that we did. The thing we regret is what we didn't do. And that would be, again, my advice to you, don't be afraid, try things, and guarantee you'll be successful.